This is Donalyn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and today I'm going to be making chocolate chip cookie bars. We're going to need cooking spray to spray our pan, 2½ cups of flour, 2 eggs, a cup of butter, a half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 cup of sugar, a tablespoon of vanilla, a cup of brown sugar, and 2 cups of chocolate chips. So let's get started. We're going to spray our pan with cooking spray. Then we're going to line it with parchment paper. We're going to leave some hanging over so it's easy to pull our bars out. We're going to whisk together 2½ cups flour, teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to add a cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup sugar, a cup of softened butter. We're going to mix this on medium-high for 2 minutes. We're going to add our 2 eggs and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. We're going to mix this on medium for another minute. Now we're going to add our 2 cups of chocolate chips. We're going to gently fold these in. Now it's time to put our cookie dough inside our pan. We're going to smash this down with our hands. We want to spread our cookie dough across our pan evenly so it cooks evenly. This already looks delicious. We're going to bake this for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. I've taken our chocolate chip cookie bars out of the oven. They look incredible. We're going to let this cool for an hour before we cut it. It's time to move our chocolate chip cookie bars to our serving plate. We're just going to go straight down halfway across and across the center. And depending on how many bars you want, you just keep cutting. And here we are, ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe.